Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. Little sound demonstration video. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this lovely deerskin shamanic drum just here. Okay, so I probably just blocked the microphone out then, but I'm sure you heard it was a deerskin shamanic drum. It's on a 16-inch frame. If I turn it over, you can see on the back here it's got traditional Salish style lacing, Native American inspired, and it's done with the same skin that made the head of the drum on the single hide. So you've got the same animal throughout, and its energy and its spirit affecting the drum and the influences thereof. And in the inside of the frame here I've put the date when the drum was birthed, and that's to allow you to look at the astrological aspects of the drum, the energies that were around on the day when the drum was birthed, the drum's birthday in effect. I put Driftwood Hollow drums in there as well, just so you know where the drum came from. And I'm going to play with a softer beater, I'm going to play with a firmer beater as well, which I'm going to swap over halfway and play with the firmer beater so you get an idea of the different sounds that they produce. Both or either of these are available to purchase at the same time as the drum, if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So here we go, let's have a little play. Beautiful. I don't know if you can hear, but we've got a buzzard flying above us who's crying and screeching. It's rather beautiful. Here we go, firmer beater. Lovely. Okay, well, I hope this little video's helped. I hope it's given you more of an idea of what the drum sounds like and helps you to make a more informed decision. It's very difficult buying online. So yeah, I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.